Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll discuss about the roadmap to become a data analytics. Okay, because if you are non-tech background or tech background, data analytics is a perfect role for you. It's essential. If you it's very important that if you are coming from non-tech background and if you switch into the IT industry, so data analytics is a perfect role for you. Okay, because the data analytics role is not much technical, but it is a technical. Okay, but from data analyst you can switch to data science, AI engineer, ML engineer if you learn this skill. Okay, later on. So first in this video I'll tell you that the roadmap to become a data analytics. Okay, so first you have to know that what is data analytics. Okay, we speak about roadmap of data analytics. So first you have to know that what is actually data analytics is. So data analytics is a process of collecting, cleaning and interpreting data to help businesses make smarter decisions. Okay, it's nothing but you have to just collecting data from source and you have to cleaning it or interpreting it or analyzing it. Okay, and make a report and find the insight from the data, and based on the insight the business owner can take decision in their business. Okay, and changes according to it. This is actually is the data analytics. Okay, you have to just find out the hidden insight from the data, nothing but. Okay, this is actually data analytics. You have to find out the hidden information that actually have in the data set. Okay, this is actually data analytics. So data analytics, let's talk about data analytics life cycle. First you have to find out the problem. This is the problem. Okay, then collect data. You have to collect data different source from API, web scraping, from database. It can be Kaggle, many. It can be email that client send you the data through email. Lots of source it can be. Then clean it, but data is must have that data is unclean. You have to clean it. Then explore EDA, explore data analytics. You have to explore the data, analyze the data through statistical text. Okay, then analyze and model. You can build some machine learning model. Okay, to find the hidden information. Then visualizing it through, you can use Matplotlib, Seaborn. Also you can go for Power BI to find make a report, and then write the insight. What insight you take from the data, and then the business owner take action on top of that. This is a life cycle of become a data analytics. Okay, then we'll come into the next topic that is required to essential skill that required to become a successful data analytics. The first I'll tell you that if you start with the Excel, if you have actually non-tech background, so you can go with the Excel, but I'll tell you that first you should start with Python. Okay, Python for data analytics, Python for data analytics, Python for not all. Okay, because if you are going to learn Python is a very huge subject. There is a lots of Python library over there. You don't need to learn all of them. You have to learn just what is required to become a data analytics. So first you have to know that until loop. Okay, function loop. You have to know Python. It's enough for data analytics. You don't need to know the advanced knowledge like iterator, decorator, generator. There's many advanced concepts is there in Python. You don't go for this. First you have to know until loops. Okay, function loops. You can also know some file handling, exception handling. You can know it. Then you have to come into the Python library that is required to become a data analytics. That's called NumPy and Pandas. NumPy is required for numerical calculation. If you need any numerical calculation, so you have to use NumPy. And if you find the clean data, you have to find the insight from the data, so you have to use the Pandas. So NumPy and Pandas very important to know for data analytics. Then you have to know some visualization tool. There is a two visualization tool very important, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Plotly you can also learn, but Matplotlib and Seaborn is enough for you. Okay, first. So Matplotlib and Seaborn you have to learn for visualization through Python. Okay, then you have to go for statistics and EDA. You have to learn some basic statistics. Advanced also you can learn, so it is very helpful, like standard deviation, descriptive statistic, mean, median, mood, some distribution, hypothesis testing you can learn from statistics. Okay, and then learn EDA. EDA means where you have to find the insight from the dataset using statistical test. Like you have to perform univariate analysis, multivariate analysis, bivariate analysis. Okay, you have to learn EDA. Then you have to go for SQL. SQL is very important for data analytics. SQL means SQL data query language. Okay, structure query language. It means you have to, when you have a data set in any database, you have to play with the data set. You can play it with the help of SQL. Like if you learn Python for coding, so SQL, there is a language that's only work in the database. Okay, database language actually. So you have to learn SQL. There's a lots of SQL concept is there, where clause, insert, delete, group by, and then subquery, CTE, join, and then many advanced concept query is there. Like one is that group by and set, and then you have to go for normalization, function. Lots of SQL concept is there. You have to learn one by one. Okay, then you have to go for Power BI. Power BI is very important. Power BI means if you want to make smarter and very interactive dashboard report, you can make it through Power BI. You can also learn Tableau, but Power BI is the best option. Is it very comfortable and very, if it is a Microsoft product, so it is very useful. Okay, and Power BI, you have to make report, find the insight, you have to know the DAX formula, and you can also clean data in Power Query. Okay, this is Power BI is very important. Then you have to learn Excel. I think everyone know that about the Excel. So Excel is very important. Excel is the only business tool for making the report from past days. Now the Power BI comes, but before last time, like before 2010, 2015, only Excel is used to either make a report or in industry. Okay, so this is the roadmap that you have to follow to become a successful data analytics. Python for data analytics, EDA, statistics, SQL, Power BI, and SQL. Then 1-2 skill you can add on later. One is cloud knowledge. If you have, so it's very good. You can know GCP, AWS, Azure. One of them, if you know, so it is very good. Okay, then it is enough to become a successful data analytics. Okay, it will take around Python for data analysis. It can take 1 to 2 months. 2 months it will require. NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, it is take 1 month around. Total 3 months. EDA and statistics also it's 1 month. If you put every day around 3 hours, 4 hours, so it will take EDA and statistics in. If you are going to learn in depth, so it will take 1 month or 1.5 month. SQL also 1.5 month to 2 month. Power BI also 2 month. SQL also 2 month. Okay, like 4 month, 6 month, 7 month, and 1 month, 8 month, and 2 month, 10 month. If you dedicatedly give 10 month, so you can easily become a successful data analytics if you are from non-tech background. If you are tech background, so if you know Python and basics of all of this EDA, statistics, SQL, then it is not take that much of time. And if you are non-tech background, you don't know anything about all of them, so yeah, it will take time around 10 months if you spend in dedicatedly, so you can become a successful data analytics. So this is the roadmap for successful become a data analytics. So if you like this particular video, please thumbs up, and if you have any query or any query and any confusion, please write in the comment section. I will try to help you out. Thank you guys.